on EDM YouTube. My name is Manny, aka Frisky Hug. Go to a lot of raves, a lot of these festivals, and god damn it, I love to vlog about them. We are at the last day. It's like 1 o'clock in the 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 12:55, something like that. I'm gonna head to the landing stage. My friend's playing there, and he's his media for the day. So far so good, super empty. Really excited for the last day. I got some homework to do today. I know I've been talking about homework this entire time because I got a lot of it. But this is the back of one of the stages, one of the main stages. I think it's like the second main stage. This is what the back looks like. You know, there's usually like no people back here for the most part. The fun part is really just like going up to the front. But okay, if you haven't already been subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now and enjoy the vlog. There's a man at work right here. Empty, just how I like it. Oh, it's for you, dude. Look. We're the only ones here. So apparently, Platinum VIP, which I am not, but he is, and I forget that. Free drinks. Well, technically, I don't think I'm supposed to be getting the free drinks, but whatever. Tomato, potato. Show. We just out here at the artist. Oh shit! Oh, that was a good shot. No, that was just marshmallow. Anyways, we out here. We doing some shit. Man, I'm gonna tell you what, man. I've stayed with Eli Brown and Hilo, and then we did some skids. We saw Zed's Dead back-to-back grids. We're hearing Marshmallow right now. We're going through the artist. We gotta catch like a bus or some shit. We are done. We are home. I just packed up all my stuff. I had a good night's rest. My body is hurting. And then, if you guys didn't know, like at last minute, the fences were rushed. I think they say like 8,000 people couldn't get in. It's a whole story. But I had a lot of fun. Headed back home now, and yeah, if you like this kind of content, and this is your first time watching some of my vlogs, give it a like, subscribe, and until the next one, bye.